Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Nanoleaf Elements expansion pack. Nanoleaf did send me the sample, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box. In packaging, everything looks great. We just have additional panels for our Nanoleaf Elements starter kit. So if you don't have the starter kit already, you will need to get that before getting the expansion pack. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are all the contents. First up, we have our product literature with our quick start guide and additional inspiration. Looking at the quick start guide, it's in multiple languages, walking us through everything we need to know with installation tips and tricks, and then that info repeats in multiple languages. Here's a look at our inspiration if you're looking to add these 3 panels to a current design or anything like that. Maybe you're just getting multiple expansion packs right away. Well, here you go. Here are some options for you. Next, we have some adhesive right here, as well as the Nanoleaf logo sticker. And then we have all of our connectors right here for the 3 panels. Take a look at the panels. They look great. I love the wood finish on them. On the back, we have multiple spots to connect to. Here's a look at the centerpiece with adhesive. Make sure you press that firmly for 30 seconds. Follow the prompts on the actual panel itself. You'll notice we have one right here with the sticker. Apply pressure to the center. Use circular motion for 30 seconds. Pretty cool. Now let's go ahead. Let's get them added. So take a look. You'll notice that we have the expansion panels installed. We just built our whole design around having 10 panels to work with. Now what's really funny, I will change the color for you, and I think I know which panels are which. I didn't label them out ahead of time, but the fact that I think 7 look alike and 3 look a little bit different should lead us to see that the panels might have a slight manufacturing variation, maybe depending on when you're purchasing all of these together. All right, so if we watch this effect cycle through just for a little bit, you may or may not notice the different panels, but basically it's the one at the very top and the one directly below it that are going to be from the expansion pack. And then if we go to the left side, so from the very top, if we go kind of diagonally 2 down, that's going to be the 3rd one from the expansion pack. So right there, you should be able to tell the different color variations. Not sure why that's the case, but just something interesting that I noticed. I really regret not going ahead and marking each one before putting it on to see if I'm correct or not. So just something to keep in mind because I'm honestly not sure. All that to say, super simple installation process. Truly is peel off the back, stick it in place, add any of the connectors that you need, peel and stick in place, and continue in that process. Best recommendation advice is lay out your pattern first. In this case, if you're adding on to an existing pattern, just pull off a couple of the ones already installed. Again, they come off without removing their backing, so you can add the adapters, press them back on, then add your new one, snap it in place, and then for about 30 seconds, press in a circular motion to get the new expansion ones installed, and repeat that process until you're finished. So the hardest thing is just getting the design that you want. Everything looks great though, really pleased with the quality, and I really enjoy having these. The aesthetic is top notch, and it's really cool to have that wood grain finish. It's a nice, different option. If you're not the biggest fan of the RGB shapes behind me, they have you covered with a variety of different options.